Hey y'all, welcome once again to my channel. Today I'm showing you this quick pizza recipe that I use the garlic bread, so let's get into it. So there you see I have some salami, garlic powder, onion powder, I have my Texas toast, the mozzarella, and some marinara sauce. And I'm going to be using my air fryer at so there you see I'm putting my marinara sauce on my Texas toast. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, follow, share, turn on that notification button, and not to miss any of my videos. And if there's anything you'd like for me to show you guys, just leave it in the comments. So there you see I'm adding some garlic sauce and some onion powder. That should be garlic powder. And so now I'm adding the mozzarella cheese on top. Once we're done with that, then we'll put it in the air fryer. And we're gonna go 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to do it for about 2 to 3 minutes. But remember, everybody's air fryer is different, so you can do it and then check in at intervals just to make sure that you're not burning your bread. So there is our cheese garlic bread. There you see I'm showing you how soft it still is, and oh, the smell is divine. So then I wanted to add some salami to my bread and cheese, so I gave it another 3 minutes and you will see the goodness. I thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate it, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.